You think you know how the world works, but these facts will break your brain. There's a hotel in Japan where you can stay for $1, but your entire stay is live streamed online. Bananas are radioactive, not dangerous, but technically, they are. In Switzerland, it's illegal to own just one guinea pig because they get lonely. The smell of space? Astronauts say it's like burnt steak. And metal. And octopuses have 3 hearts? Okay, that one sounds fake, but it's real. How many of these did you actually know?